Welcome back. As by the sound you can understand, what's wrong happened. Yes, cops finally tracked me down, and now I am getting arrested, and I am not going to escape from. They just give me a warning not to surrender. After using so much of the brain and making several plans, finally I got busted. Let's surrender. I am a little bit scared. This car is also going to be seized. Finally reached the police station. They told me to go in the parking, as they want to confirm something from me. Don't know what confirmation they are taking about. My cars. All three. After getting back, we need to repair it. Do you notice something? They broke my BMW while bringing it here. And they did the same with G-Wagon. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Let's talk with the head of the station. I will let you tomorrow what conclusion came at last. Subscribe, share, comment, like.